Greetings to everyone. Welcome to Practical Man video. I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter of Mercedes ML63 2010 model. I'll show you what is needed for this procedure so the job is done easily. So you need a good screwdriver set box with the various screws. You'll be needing the Torx 25mm to open the air filter box, and you need to have this one. You can to reach the like difficult places. So that's needed for this, and we need the air filter obviously, which is like C33612, and the electrical screw gun makes the job easier, and some wipes and paper towel. Sometimes you might need some vacuuming as well. That depends on how much of dust is inside. Okay, park the car, put the park brakes on, and let's get started. Now I open the bonnet, and I'll show you where exactly the air filters are. It's under these boxes. First, I'll remove this plastic panel. I put this plastic sticker so I know where exactly the clamps are. So I go under, pull exactly there, hold it there, pull, it comes off. Keep it aside. Then I need to remove this cover. So it's a clamp type. Just pull it out, it comes off. That's one. And it's another one here. Just lift it up and it comes off. See, it's got this clamp, so you just pull it out, it comes off. Okay, now I need to remove those screws. So altogether 5 on each side. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is right under the back. So it's 5 on each sides. And after removing this clamp, you need to pull this off gently. Hold on. Right. So to remove these two, it's got like a button there. So if you press on it, you feel like a click, and then you can pull it back. So on, yeah, and pull it. Yeah, there it comes. For this, the button is underneath here. So yeah, just press under. Yeah, pull it out. Now I need to undo these two as well to remove the box. Okay, let's do that. Now let's remove that flat screws. Just loosen up to remove from that socket. Now with the Torx screw, I'm going to remove the screws. Yeah, remove the one in the back. Now let's pull this out. it's not that dirty, so we'll just give some wipe. Now this is the filter we need to replace. Okay. There are some dirts there, so what I'll do is I'm going to cover up the vent so that dirt doesn't get inside. Okay, now I'm going to get a vacuum, clean this, do a vacuum there. Okay, now I did a vacuum, remove the old filter off. Now I'm going to give a wipe with a wet tissue, remove those sticky grands inside. This is a dry towel, paper towel, wipe the wet areas. I'm going to put the new filter. That's about it. Just need to put this cover back in. Okay. Now it's in place. Okay, put the socket back in. You can hear the click. Yeah. Tighten up this hand screw. That's enough. So put the screws back in. A good tight. Okay, let's do the rest. Alright, so repeat the same process on the other side. And put the clamps on. All done, guys. It's all done, so that's how we can do it. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.